So this little guy got poisoned the other day. Yup, he was playing with one of my daughter's glow bracelets and started to chew it, and then of course the contents inside the bracelet went into his mouth. Immediately he freaked out. It was like he was trying to jump and get away from his own mouth. It was heartbreaking to see. And he also immediately started foaming at the mouth. And of course, never having to deal with anything like this before, I was at a loss of what to do. I wondered if I should call the vet right away, but decided just to wait a few moments, take it all in, and assess the situation. I took him to his water to see if he'd drink. He didn't want to. So I took him outside. We went down to the grass. He was still bothered, foaming at the mouth, but not jumping around very much anymore. As I sat there with him, it came to me, what about activated charcoal? My family recently have used it for dealing with any stomach issues, and it has worked wonders. So I looked it up, and yes, you can give it to cats. It said that activated charcoal is used primarily in acute poisoning cases in dogs and cats. Activated charcoal will absorb most toxins pets ingest. The charcoal, when given orally, decreases the toxic effects of the poisoning, but it has to be given within the first hour that the poisoning happens. So immediately I got the charcoal, mixed it with some water, and put it into the plastic syringe and gave it to him right away. It worked perfectly. It was crazy. Like, he almost immediately was okay. He was back to himself. He went and had some water soon afterwards and resumed being his absolute adorable self. We were so happy and relieved. And I can say now, between what this activated charcoal, and it must be food grade charcoal, by the way, has done for my daughter recently with her stomach flu, and now with helping our little Milo, our family will never be without some on hand. We always look for natural ways to heal our bodies, and activated charcoal has now become a huge addition to something we will continue to use in our home. And of course, I have to say this is not medical advice for your pets, but I wanted to share as it has worked perfectly for our pet and hope it helps.